welcome back for another video. Today I have a very exciting one. I purchased a cover for my new Sterling Ink B6 for 2025 from Amazon, and it's already here, so I am so excited to open this up with you all. So let's just go ahead and just like jump right in. So I think this is the name of the person that made it. It is handmade, which I love, and they did say it was genuine leather, so I'm excited for this. All right, I love that it comes with a dust bag. Love that. And oh my gosh, this is stunning. So I did choose a dark brown color because I did get a green Sterling Ink, like the forest color, and I figure it would be perfect. Like the color that I chose for my planner, it's exactly the same color as my nails, guys. All right, so let's open this up. It is like a TN type of like planner. This is stunning. Let me smell it. It smells like leather, y'all. I've heard a lot of people say that it smells like the nice leather scent, like smell, whatever, but it does. It smells like that, and it's so pretty. All right, so let me go ahead and explain. So in here we have a couple of pockets, and in here we can put the front of the planner and the back. We have some of the strings because again it could be used for a traveler's notebook, and we have a pen loop as well. For reference, I'm gonna grab my new Sterling Ink planner just to test the size and see how it does. I did get this like blinded, completely blinded. I got this cover because I wanted to get a mold term, but then I saw that this one was real leather, and I'm like, maybe I should get something different, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh, like this is perfect. As you can tell, I have no problem putting that in. I have my pen loop right here, which I can put whatever pen I'm gonna be using. I can decorate here, and this is how it looks like. As you can tell, I still have plenty of space for the decoration, and in case my planner gets nice and thick, I have plenty of space for that. And I absolutely love this. This is stunning, y'all. Stunning. I love it. So pretty. All right, I do have an unboxing of this planner. If you want, I'm gonna be putting a link for that video down below, but there you have it. This is how the planner looks like. I'm gonna be putting an affiliate link on the description in case you want to go ahead and check it out. This is the kind of like, I think this is the kind that you can scratch it and then go like that, but I actually like having the scratches in it. I don't know if that's weird, but I feel like it looks better like that, you know. Anyways, thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed and you enjoyed my videos and you want to subscribe, and I will see you soon for another one. Bye.